So here, you find your foot. The whole body is on. You don't do anything, just watch. Maybe the people in front of you can sit down so everybody can see clearly. So when you are here, can you see you're in a loose stance? You line up, so your whole body is right on top. Now you go like this. Because of this, you can lift. When you are here, you can lift because you are holding it like this here, but now you can lift. And now you release, always release this way. If you release with your toes, it starts to pull you. Release with your heel. And now, as you land here, you don't land like this, okay? You put this here, drive this into your heel, like strong. And there's so much force, it grinds forward. As soon as you land the whole foot there, the knee does not move anymore. And now you adjust this to the middle. So when you pick this up, you don't pick this up. Your toes grind on like this here. Your toes do this. When your toes do this, your heel also digs in. It's like these two here doing this. When that happens, your muscles here will engage. When that engages, it pulls yourself up. When you pull, don't use your heel, use your toes here. And then you release again. And go to a spot you like. And then use power to grind it. That is like this here. It's not like this. It's this pushes here, it pushes into it. So from here, push, land. And then start digging like this. Until you see the arches like this. And that pulls up here. And this here. Then pull yourself. And imagine 10, 15 pounds. Eventually that move has to be, you have to have enough power to pick up whoever is working. Yes?
Do you mind showing the shifting again?
Oh, okay. I'll do it again that way. No shift. Land. Move to the middle. Once in the middle, you can use power. Here, this power is useless. Only here. And then, so in this case, we go this way. Push into landing. The landing here, the heel must dig. No move. You cannot do this. It's totally stopped. So that push can only push your foot over it. Can you understand that? It's here, stuck. And then this push makes you go over here. It's never like this. So the relationship is very, very important. So one foot there. Don't move, just stay there. Just move this one. So this is stuck. So now touch me here and underneath my toes. Yeah. Now you feel, so push a little bit. You feel that there? There's no move like this. It's from here, I'm grinding one piece. It's so you imagine your toes are totally locked onto your knee. Here, onto your knee. So it's like this, one piece. It's not like this. Is that clear? So you land because you're pulling this ligament, not because you let go. So this here pulls the inside of your arch because the toe cannot do this. It's totally locked. Eventually, your toes, this angle is exactly this angle. Can you see this angle here? It's locked. It does not move anymore. So when I go back, can you see it's one piece? It's never like this. It's one piece. It's always like that. It never does this. Yes.
So when you're doing that pull before you land, is it a result of this pull or
Here,
this
push.
push?
Push the outside. So when I push the outside, so you touch the inside.
Yeah.
The inside. Yeah. You have to change. Yeah. It's the in the inside. Switch it the other way because you're blocking it. Yeah,
Like this?
Sure. Just don't block it with something.
Oh, yeah.
Use a little bit of power. It's not like this. It's, you should feel. Tell people what happened.
The energy, I can internally stretch from here to the other side. I don't know how. But
So this is called horse stance. The horse, you can never do this to the horse. Over here you lock. When you push that foot, this never moves. Power goes there. So if you ride a stone horse, you can only push yourself back and forth. The horse does not move with you. It's not like this. When you do this to the horse, you're going to fall off. It's one there, one there. It moves back and forth, gliding on it, sliding on it. So when you are doing that, it's exactly same as an arch of a bridge. So power is from here, like shaking, it goes here, but there's no movement. The shape cannot move like this. It cannot do this. It just transfers energy. Especially the tip cannot bend. That's why it's like this here. It has no possibility of doing this. So it requires everything on your legs except your bones to twist and to stretch and to tense up. So there are various actions causing the energy to be delivered to the other side. Ankle and the foot. And the ankle is too high. So, yeah, the other one too high, that's my calf. The ankle, that joint, that's, yeah, onto the floor. It's a little bit further. There, do the same. And Rick, you touch me here.
this,
Yeah. Don't touch the joints. Yeah, you can grab me, push down, push down. So we all do this. This, no move. I don't care about you at all. I care about you. You locked me, I'm not going to move it. And you provided a structure. I'm not going to fight you, I'm going to glide over you. Can you feel that? Can you feel the energy? Rick, can you feel that?
Yeah.
So once I land, my nail is here, it does not move. And the ligament here, can you feel that? This ligament is going to, not only that, this one this way.
Okay.
So you can catch me. Yeah. Well, I'm going to go this way, so you catch me this way. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So there's no possibility I can pick it up. You feel that now?
Yeah.
Power is inside here. Can you see that here? So every move is like this.